Welcome to the Patient Portal. By now, you should have received an email from your healthcare provider. This email contains a link to access the Patient Portal, as well as an attachment. In the attachment, you will find your username and password. To open the attachment, use your birth date in the following format: a 2-digit month, a 2-digit day, and a 4-digit year. Once you have located your username and password, enter your username in the designated field. Then, enter your temporary password and click Login. You will then be prompted to create a new password. After doing so, agree to the terms and conditions and click Submit. You will receive a confirmation message stating that you have successfully created your new password. Click OK to proceed. Log in again using your username and the new password you created. Click Login to enter the Patient Portal. If this is your first time using the Patient Portal, you may be directed to a registration screen. This screen will guide you through the registration process. If you need to update any information, click the arrow beside your name in the upper right corner to access personal information. These are the same screens you would have seen if you had never accessed the Patient Portal before. Complete the necessary fields and update your preferred languages, insurance information, and emergency contact information. For returning users, the Patient Portal dashboard will display any scheduled appointments. To make a new appointment, click on the New Appointment tab and select your location. Choose the provider and the reason for the appointment, then click Find a Time. The available days and times will be displayed, allowing you to select a convenient slot. After scheduling, your appointment history will be updated and displayed on your dashboard. The Message Center allows you to send messages to your provider. Click Compose, write your message, attach any necessary files, and click Send. Received messages will appear in your inbox, and you can view a record of all sent messages. In the My Account section, any outstanding balances will be displayed, indicating if they are current or past due. You can make payments and view statements by clicking the appropriate links. The provider's contact information, including address and phone number, will be displayed on the right. You will also see any upcoming health maintenance tasks. Finally, you will see Quick Links, providing convenient access to other frequently visited areas of the portal. The Appointment tab at the top functions similarly to the home screen appointment scheduler, allowing you to book clinic or telemedicine appointments. Under the Patient Forms tab, complete and submit any forms requested by your provider. Legal forms, such as consent forms, can also be signed and submitted here. The My Health Records section contains information shared by your provider, including visit summaries, past medical history, lab results, radiology results, and vital trends over time. The Past Visits tab allows you to view previous appointments and progress notes. The Lab Results and Radiology Results tabs display relevant data, while the Vital Trends tab tracks your vitals over time. The Lab Trends tab compares lab results over time. The Education tab displays any educational materials provided by your healthcare provider. The Health History tab shows completed health histories. The Attach Documents tab allows you to view and attach documents. To attach a document, select a category, attach the file, and click the Attach button. The Prescription tab lists your current medications. To request a refill, check the box and click Request. The Message Center includes an inbox for received messages and a compose function for new messages. Under Documents, you will find shared documents that you and the clinic have shared. The Attach Center allows you to attach documents in multiple places. The Billing Information section displays outstanding amounts. You can pay the current or outstanding balance or specify another amount by entering your credit card information and making the payment online. The Patient Payments tab shows all payments sent and posted, and the Statements tab keeps a copy of all statements received. In the right corner, you can add your picture to the profile by choosing and attaching a picture. Update your personal information and set up authorized users, such as a spouse or parent, to have access. When finished, log out. This is how to efficiently use the Patient Portal. Thank you for watching.